Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Gossip Funda. I am Shekhar Budredji and today we are going to discuss the fail to obtain IP address. Fail to obtain IP address. This message hits everyone badly. Whenever people try to connect with third-party Wi-Fi connections, it takes time to connect and shows the above mentioned message. Is this notification disturbing you a lot? Wanna get rid of it? Watch the video carefully and Gossip Funda will help you obtaining IP address easily when connecting with a new Wi-Fi connection. We are going to discuss some methods so you can fix this error. Restart the router. If you are facing fail to obtain IP address on Android phone or PC, then simply restarting router will help you gain the IP address. If your mobile phone is not connected to a router, then restart the mobile phone first, then try to solve it. Secondly, change the IP address. IP address change can help the user to do a fresh start in detecting Wi-Fi and tracing it easily. Follow the below mentioned steps to change the IP address. More or less, the steps will be same for different version of mobile phones. Only slight changes are seen. So, first of all, go to settings, select network and internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi connection by toggling on the button. Some network connections will be listed that are present around you. Select that you wish to connect with. Then go to more option or long press the particular network name. Tap on option modify. In this select advanced settings, choose IP address, then change the default settings from DHCP to statics. Type the IP address and click done. When typing your IP address, type any number from 1 to 225, but before deleting your old IP address, note down that as the same IP address, repetition is of no use in this process. Forgot network. When your mobile malfunctions, you will restart to see an energetic effect. In the same way, removing the pre-installed network and adding to a new can gain the IP address from the source. For this, go to settings, choose network and internet, select Wi-Fi and long press the network you want to get connected. Tap on forgot network, close the app settings and refresh the device. Log in to the same network connection newly. Next, we can try the airplane mode. First of all, disconnect your Wi-Fi and turn on the airplane mode. Wait for 30 to 50 seconds and keep your phone aside. After that, you can turn off your airplane mode and try to connect with the Wi-Fi. You might get rid of the problem. If not, you can try some more options like factory reset Wi-Fi failed to obtain IP address. A factory reset can help your device to gain refreshment and work efficiently. After a factory reset, third-party app that functions for the exploration of resources are force stopped or permanently deleted from the device. If you cannot detect the problem, then try the factory reset. This must be the last option. Go to settings, tap on system failed. In the advanced option, select reset. Choose the erase all data option. Now reset your device. Fail to obtain IP address will get fixed. Conclusion. So try the solution mentioned only after recognizing the root cause of the inability. Solving it is possible. Match the above mentioned reasons with your device and compare it with the devices. If something appears to be similar, then use it to fix it. By fixing this problem, your mobile gets refreshment as well. By installing a malware protection app and doing practical checks, you are not only getting instant network connection but also providing double security for your handset. Much needed facility for a phone is security, then speed and all. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, make sure to like and subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Thank you.